Gastronomic display case assembly GC95 Palm 2. The GC95 display case unpacking. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the front and the side panels of the package. Unscrew the back panel of the package. Unscrew the M10 bolts while removing the installation boards. Remove the front glass and the shelves from the display pallets. Remove the display pallets. Warning: inside the display case there are accessories, side glasses, racks, metalware. Take them out. Screw in the M10 adjustable supports. Remove the top front decorative panel. Remove the display case from the pallet and align the display case with the adjustable supports. Install the rack with the help of M6 to 11 hexagon socket bolts, 2 pieces per rack. Tighten the racks to the side panels with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 1 piece per rack. Tighten the rack to the frame with 4 to 16 screws, 1 piece per rack. Attach the shelf bracket to the racks with M6 to 16 combi screws, 2 pieces per rack, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the top front decorative panel while tightening it with the 4 to 16 screws. Install the air duct grill with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the display pallets. Install the lamp by tightening 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Insert the connection to the lamp. Install the profile under the sashes with a double-side tape, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the corner glass holder on the rack. Install the side glass. Install the front glass. Install the second side glass. Install the second corner glass holder on the rack. Install the shelf inside the display case. Install the top glass. Install the protective cover on the lamp wire, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the sashes, having removed the protective film beforehand. Insert the decorative profile. The GC95 gastronomic display case now is ready for use.